So when we look at the world, energy consumption is increasing every year, but most importantly, that energy needs to be clean. We have 1.3 billion people without power worldwide, plus you have the issue of smog, emissions, environmental issues. It's not sustainable to keep growing the way the planet is without having more energy efficiency, clean energy, low emissions, zero emission technologies. And when you think of clean energy, Capstone is one of the innovative leaders because we can generate power at the source with ultra low emissions, extremely high reliability, in a cost-effective manner. Innovation in any sector is a challenge, and energy is no different. Trying to develop new cutting-edge technologies with higher efficiency, lower emissions, you can't sacrifice reliability or quality. Capstone's microturbine technology is very clean, very green. It has several other unique features, including an air-bearing technology, which means we have no oil, no antifreeze, one moving part. Really, power electronics are the key to our solution. This allows a customer to focus on their core business and spend less time doing maintenance on the microturbine. Capstone's microturbine serves several energy needs, really depending on the end user, whether it's prime power, peak shaving, backup power. All of our customers will typically use our product at least 50% of the time. We also solve energy needs when it comes to energy efficiency and thermal use of the product, so taking steam, hot water, or even chilled water through an absorption chiller off the back of our exhaust. Capstone has shipped over 6,000 microturbines worldwide and has thousands of installations virtually in almost every corner of the globe. Whether you're a plastics company here in California or you're a food processor in Austria, you can use our technology as part of your key manufacturing process. So here in California, the plastic company is actually using our exhaust to melt the plastic as part of their manufacturing process. Or in the food application in Austria, they're using it to sterilize bottles. So not only are we providing clean energy, reliable energy, but we're seeing energy efficiency rates as high as 90%. And are critical to their manufacturing process with the heat coming off the machine. Oil and gas is one of the key areas for Capstone's innovation. Whether it's in the U.S. in oil and gas operations, in shale gas operations, or internationally in both offshore and onshore platforms, Capstone has been instrumental in helping customers like Shell, Pemex, Petronas, Petrobras, or Origin Energy down in Australia not only provide the energy they need to get the product to market, but do it in an environmentally safe and friendly way. Capstone's been an innovator in the hybrid vehicle space for a long time. The company's actually founded on a hybrid vehicle platform. Today, most of our applications are transit buses. These buses are electric vehicles with regenerative brakes. And the microturbine sits in the back of the bus, and when the batteries get depleted, about 30% state of charge, the microturbine fires up, charges the batteries. And with a small company called Rightspeed, they're taking medium-duty trucks for delivery package applications, repowering with Capstone technologies. So these are hybrid vehicles, electric vehicles with regenerative brakes, using the Capstone microturbine as a range extender. So getting the vehicle so it can run 20 hours a day without having to stop and refuel. As we look for new applications for our product, marine is one that fits our technology very well. Energy reliability is extremely critical. Emissions are becoming more and more important worldwide. But most importantly, we're quiet with almost no vibration, which is essential in marine applications. The future for Capstone is very bright. In the last several years, we've grown the business 20 to 30% a year with our innovative technology, getting new customers, new applications worldwide. But we continue to innovate our technology. So we have a 250 kilowatt and a 370 kilowatt version we're currently developing with help from the Department of Energy. What's key about these technologies, they're higher efficiency, they'll be lower cost per kilowatt, and allow us to penetrate more markets and have faster paybacks for our customers. So wherever you are in the world, whatever application you're in, whatever country you're in, Capstone is dedicated through its reliable technology to give you green, clean, low emission solutions that's both environmentally friendly and economically friendly.